keywords for your account, we need somewhere to put them. And that's what we're going to build in Module 4. Consider this module the ground floor of the beautiful skyscraper that is your AdWords account. It's where all the essential building blocks are put together to ensure the rest of the structure is strong, safe, and exquisite. You'll also discover some of the sneaky, hidden traps that Google lay for unsuspecting business owners. Traps that, unless they're exposed, will gradually bleed your account of profits without you even noticing. We're going to shine a light on these traps and give you the map to navigate safely around them every time. Welcome to Module 4, where we're going to start and take everything we've done so far and we're going to build it together. We're going to put it all together into an awesome account structure. So, this video is a very short intro and I just want to set some ground rules for what we're going to do next in the build. So the first thing is, if you are an existing advertiser, we're going to use your existing AdWords account for our build. But to control the change that we make, we're going to pause what's there already without changing it. We're then going to build our new campaigns alongside what's there already. That way, A, we don't lose any history. B, all the information there that you created previously is all there, all the history is there, we can see what's gone before, but we're starting a little bit afresh. So that's how we're going to handle this. There is an exception that I just want to say, is that if you have an element or two in your existing campaign that is performing like a star, that's something you really want to keep that running. When we do the new build, do not duplicate it, leave it where it is, we'll build the rest around it. So what I'm essentially saying is we're going to build the bits that aren't working so well in your existing campaign from new, but we're going to leave the bit that's really efficient already in place. Now that is going to cause confusion further down the line. That may cause us one or two hassles, but for now it doesn't matter. What matters far more is that you keep those leads or sales coming into your business and we build around the strong points. So that's why I want to use this in the way that I'm suggesting. If you're a new advertiser, open a new AdWords account and keep everything paused until we're ready to go. Try and get your hands on a voucher for Google. Google gives them away all the time, and we'll make arrangements for you to get some from us directly if you need them as well. So you can always get vouchers. Typically they're a spend 25, get 75, or spend 150, get 150. They're that kind of range. It's free money, so make sure that you get those. Also, as an informational back piece to the rest of this module, we're going to have some sense of scale as we build this. We're going to talk about account structures. We're going to talk what your account should look like. I just want to give a piece of common sense advice before we go any further, which is if you have a small budget, and by that I mean less than typically $5,000, keep the structure simple. Implement everything that I'm going to tell you, but don't go crazy breaking it down. If you could, for example, look at the groupings that we're going to look at in the next videos and break it down into 100 different campaigns, then with that level of budget per month, you're not going to test it all. You're going to have so much detail that you can't actually test anything. So don't do it. Keep it simple. Go granular at an ad group level, but keep your campaigns potentially slightly bigger than you could do. If you have a larger budget, then we can get very, very granular in our account build, and we can really get into some fine tuning and control. But there is little benefit doing that from the outset if you're a small advertiser. If you're a small advertiser and you've got more than 5 to 10 campaigns, that's plenty. 10 will be an absolute limit, 5 will be fairly typical. But if you start getting more and more granular than that, then you're going to get to a point where you just can't test it efficiently. So don't build what you can't test. Okay, that's it for this video. It's really just an introduction. We're going to get into the detailed work in the next one and beyond. Bye for now.